Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into Oculus account on your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. First go open your web browser, and as soon as you do that, type in Oculus login in the search box. After you do that, click on the first link that says Login with Facebook Oculus, and this will take you to its official website. If you have an Oculus account, simply go and click on Have an Oculus account, and enter your credentials in order to log into Oculus with your Facebook account. Simply click on Login with Facebook, and enter your email address or your phone number associated with your Facebook account. After you're done, move on to the next text field and type in the password for your Facebook account. If you want to double check your password, then click on this eye icon and reveal your password before moving on. In case you've forgotten your password, then click on Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset your new password. After entering your Facebook credentials click on the Login button. Continue as your Facebook by clicking on Continue as your Facebook name, and that is how you can log into Oculus account on your desktop. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.